Today's video I'll be showing you how to change which half of an outlet is switched hot versus constant hot, and this is useful for a lot of different circumstances. This particular one was on a dishwasher, but you can apply the same deal for many different scenarios. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, we got a dishwasher cord that just wasn't long enough. Just barely not long enough. But I found an extension cord. Problem is that this extension cord isn't going to fit in here properly. And obviously there's just a ton of ways to do this, right? You could get a longer original cord from the dishwasher. Probably is maybe the most correct way to do it. But another way to do this is going to be to rewire these outlets so that the disposer is on the top half. Right now the disposer is on the bottom half. If I flip the switch up top here, disposer flips on, and so I can't use the one on the top as a constant hot. So what I'm going to do is flip these around. That's going to be the way that I'm going to fix this one. The two halves of the outlet are separated, and one of them is fed from the switch top and one of them is from the constant hot. So I'm going to switch which one's which, and that's going to fix that. And then I'll be able to move this so that it's off the ground and it's in a safe spot. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off all the power to do this, because that'll make that much safer. So I'm just going to turn off everything. Make it nice, quick, and easy. That way it's a done deal. We can verify. Alright. Here we go. And all we need to do is switch the hot wires, and then that'll change, of course, where our disposal plug is going to plug into. But I gotta get behind here. This is just a fast one today, so again, a number of ways that this could be done. This is just one, a longer cord, and flipping the disposer over and changing the power cord. Probably the best way, just showing you another way. Showing you a way that we can change this wire around. And this is useful if you had a disposer or an appliance that was on a switch hot like this, and you needed to switch which half of the outlet was the switched hot. So there we go. So what we've got is one side of the hot is the red and one side is the black, and we're just going to switch those two.
The red wire usually signifies a switched hot
Going to complicate it
for 120 volt circuits. Sometimes a blue wire also a switched hot.
So I'm going to pull the red one and the black one.
In a 220 volt circuit, red often signifies the secondary hot wire. Doesn't apply to our situation here, as this is a 120 volt circuit, but
hopefully. There it is. There's the black one. Here's the red one. Okay. Now we're going to switch them. So the red's going to go on the bottom, black's going to go on the top. There it is. Nice and strong. Nice and strong on both. And now we're switched. Now our disposal will go on the top, and the deal will go on the bottom. And gotta find my screw ports here. And then we'll turn the power back on. And that'll be that. These little black things don't really do anything. They just hold the screw captive for your initial putting the outlet screws in. These little things, they just kind of make it more convenient so you don't lose the screw. They don't really hold it or anything. And of course, the drill would speed things up, but just using what I got with me to get it done. And I need to get an outlet cover on this outlet anyway. Another story. We'll follow that up to verify everything does what I want it to do, which is now the bottom half being the switched outlet. The neutral is connected always on these, so that part doesn't matter. The only side that's broken away is on the hot side to have a separate feed. One's a constant hot, one's a fixed hot. So the dishwasher always has a constant hot, and the garbage disposal has a switch hot. Got interrupted by a phone call. These things happen. But we're just about here on our outlet. We do need an outlet cover. I'm going to grab one. Okay, there we go. But now we're ready. I'll go ahead and leave the disposal connected, and I'll show you. Now the top one should be the constant, and the bottom one should be the constant now, and the top one should be the power on. And we'll allow for that. Fun, fun, fun. Bringing back the flashlight videos. Alright. Setting all our breakers. There we go. Okay. Okay, now everything's unplugged. So now the top one should be the one for the disposal, and the bottom one should be the constant power. So if I plug in the disposal on the bottom one, it should click on. Alright. And if I put it in the top one, it should not click on unless we flip the switch. Alright, here we go. And so now the bottom one can be used for the dishwasher. No point in me really plugging it in now, but just going to show that what we'll do is we'll take this all the way. Kind of have options, either we can put it up somewhere safer, or could almost actually even tuck it in just like that, which is probably what I'll do. Maybe just leave it out just a little bit so we can pull it back if we need to, and so no one pulls it out. But I think no one will pull it out that way, and that's about our best bet. So that'll be just like that. I'll just get a cover on there, make that good, and it's a done deal. Alright, there it is. Nice clear shot. My screen was kind of blurry, but that'll work good. And could secure those with a lock deal, or a gasket. I have some extra gaskets at home, so I might bring one of those little silicone gaskets and make this a waterproof connection. I can even make that even a little tiny bit better. But once it's there, it's not going anywhere. Until someone pulls out the dishwasher. Now it's got an extra long cord, so it's a done deal, except for the cover on the outlet.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
There is a plan for us deeper than what we see. This is why it's called a planet. It's a planet. It's a plan. It's a plan for this planet. for this message. Save us. Boo. Him. He came for you. Took our place and suffered and died for us. Took all our garbage upon himself. Gives us his righteousness to know.